Hello buddies, welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can use your fingerprint to unlock your Motorola Razr. For that, you want to go to your settings and then go to security and go to fingerprint. And now we need to first put in our PIN to verify that it's us. And now it says unlock with your fingerprint, touch the fingerprint sensor to unlock your phone, authorize purchases or sign into apps. Note, your fingerprint may be less secure than a strong pin or pattern. We say set up, find the sensor, locate the sensor on the power key on the side of your device. So it's probably the on and off button here. And I'm gonna put my finger on and then it vibrates a bit. And then I'm gonna move my finger around slightly. So that it will capture my whole finger. Oopsie. Alright, fingerprint added. You're ready to use your fingerprint to unlock, log in and make payments. Alright, we say done. And then we have easy shortcuts. To get quick shortcuts anytime, you can double tap on the power key. Okay, not now. And then we have our finger one here. We can name it now. Maybe you have names for your fingers. I don't know. You can name your finger here. You can click on that little trash can symbol to delete your fingerprint or add another fingerprint. Now we're gonna unlock our phone, and then I'll put on my finger and you see it went really smooth and easy, and now the phone is unlocked again. So that's how you use your fingerprint to unlock your Motorola Razr. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.